I've got a bad back that hurts when I try to pull on socks. I just can't bend over. That's why I got the Carex sock aid to help me. I can put on socks all by myself now. These are a game changer. The sock helper has terry cloth to grip the sock or stocking and slide it easily over the foot without friction. The large hoop handles provide extra support for those with a weakened grip. And it's so easy to use. Just place the sock aid into your sock like this, put your foot into the sock, and pull up. It's that easy. It'll work with any type of socks, ankle length, knee length, athletic or dress socks. You name it, it works. The Carex sock aid will give you back your independence. Believe me, I felt helpless before I got these. I always needed someone to help me. Not now. I feel independent and not a burden to anyone to help me wear socks. You should check them out.